But with the cost of living crisis hitting hard, families are now getting creative with Fakeaways, cheap and convenient takeaway style meals made at home.
Fakeaways look and taste just like the real thing.
So let's make the Big Mac. We've got 2 all-beef patties, lettuce, cheese, special sauce, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.
Chef Jan Cranitch says Fakeaways are easy to make, healthier and half the price of your favourite fast food.
The Big Mac special sauce, pretty easy to make, only 3 ingredients.
I know, right? We've got mayo, tomato sauce and Worcestershire sauce.
And what about the 11 secret herbs and spices in the batter of Kentucky Fried Chicken?
How are we going to replicate that?
With some yogurt, some flour, the chicken and some spices from the pantry.
Dip the chicken in the mix, marinate in the fridge for an hour, then cook in an air fryer for around 15 minutes. And for the spice chips...
So we just got paprika, olive oil and salt and pepper.
Delicious.
Easy.
For nachos and burrito bowls similar to Guzman and Gomez, all you need is rice, corn chips, cheese, black beans, salsa and avocados.
That guacamole is amazing.
Yes, I've got a little bit of lime powder, a little bit of lime zest in there, some coriander, salt and pepper.
With plenty of online recipes and supermarket sauces, Fakeaways of your favourite international dishes are also easy to whip up at home.
Our customers want to experiment and travel with their taste buds. So we have authentic Indian, Asian cuisines. We've expanded our American lines.
With spending on takeaways and food delivery down 30% from last year, supermarkets are cashing in and catering to families keen to cook Fakeaways at home.
For the 4 of us, we're looking at a minimum of $120 just for a Thai meal.
To cut costs, mum of twins Naomi Dorland relies on Fakeaways at least once a week, and tonight it's pizza and sushi night.
We're probably saving a minimum of $100. Used to get takeaway maybe once a week, but not anymore.
Now for the taste test. Looks just like the real thing, just supersized. Oh my God, that is good.
Michelle Tapper, 9 News.